After the recent withdrawal by the French firm Naval Group from Indian Navy's Project 75I, a joint statement issued by India and France after the meeting between Prime Minister Modi and French President Macron says that India and France have agreed to find creative ways for France's deeper involvement in India's efforts to become self-reliant in the defense sector, on which several experts have pointed out that there is a chance that India might scrap the Project 75I and go ahead with a government-to-government deal for building 6 advanced submarines with indigenous AIP system, which is already planned to be integrated in 6 Calvary-class submarines with assistance from Naval Group. The Indian Air Force is looking for a local private sector firm that can undertake the design, development and manufacturing of a common launcher for Su-30 aircraft under Make 2 category that can enable fitment of all types of weapons and pods. The universal launcher will have 2 versions, one version for air-to-air missiles that should be compatible with both rail-guided and catapult-launched weapons, and the other version for air-to-ground missiles of 50 kilograms to 1,500 kilograms. The common launcher should weigh less than 180 kilograms and should be able to fit on all 10 hard points. The DRDO has initiated a project to develop smart radar-absorbent material coating for submarines. This smart RAM coating will be used to mask the submarines from maritime radars and next-generation anti-submarine warfare systems at periscope depth, and will make Indian Navy submarines more stealthier and versatile. India has issued a notam warning for the launch of experimental flight vehicles over the Bay of Bengal for the period between 10th May to 13th May, for a range of more than 250 kilometers, and the shape of the notam suggests that it will be an air-launched missile. Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited has bagged the first export order from a European firm for major sub-assemblies of artillery guns. The order is worth 6 crores and is a historic achievement for the company that has recently been carved out of the ordnance factory. Indian drone manufacturer Garuda Aerospace has won several export contracts to provide 4,000 drones to African countries. Garuda Aerospace has also signed confirmation orders for more than 8,000 drones from countries like Panama, Malaysia and the United Arab Emirates. The Indian Army had recently released a request for information to procure an unspecified number of 105mm 37 caliber mounted gun system for deployment in the mountains and high altitude areas, but it is now confirmed that the Army will initially procure 50 units of 105mm 37 caliber mounted gun system that should have a minimum of 50% indigenous content. The Ministry of Defence has released a formal request for information to procure 2 different types of small-sized tactical drones for surveillance by the Indian Army that can provide real-time video and imagery. One variant will be deployed at an altitude of more than 4,000 meters and the other at an altitude below 4,000 meters. The drone must have a range of 5 kilometers and an all-up weight of 10 kilograms and should be equipped with a video camera and a night sensor. The Indian Air Force has reached out to the domestic defense industry, seeking their response on manufacturing 8 military items, including simulators for Apache and Chinook helicopters and communication systems. 3 projects of the Indian Army, that includes Indian Light Tank, an autonomous combat vehicle, and integrated surveillance and targeting system for mechanized forces, have also been offered to the Indian industry for design and development. US firm Boeing and the Indian MRO company Air Works have started heavy maintenance checks on 3 P-8 anti-submarine aircraft operated by the Indian Navy at Air Works facility in Tamil Nadu. This collaboration will serve the Indian Navy and will also contribute towards making India a regional MRO hub, which was done earlier in the US and Japan.